VITRONICS SOLTEC Centurion Reflow soldering oven is unmatched in the industry, with superior heat transfer, uniformity, and repeatability. The innovative construction of the Centurion oven is unlike any other. A high-mass heater panel acts as a reservoir of energy, ensuring excellent heat transfer and unmatched repeatability. With thick, high-density insulation on the sides and top of the cell, we minimize heat loss and reduce power consumption. The Centurion airflow system with patented individual zone exhaust is designed to extract airborne flux as it occurs. The new system isolates the heating and cooling section of the tunnel with an additional venturi. It reduces refresh time and maintenance time and gives us the cleanest tunnel in the industry. Easily removable exhaust boxes are a low-cost option, installed on both on-load and off-load exhaust stacks that use condensation to trap flux in filters before entering facility exhaust. The system detects over temperature and over pressure and sounds an alarm to let you know when maintenance is needed. Filters are easily removed, keeping maintenance time to less than 2 minutes. The True Nitrogen Air Switch system is an option that no one else offers. With the push of a button, you can automatically switch between a true air environment and true nitrogen environment. In air mode, cell port valves are open to proactively extract flux vapors out of the chamber to the exhaust box where the vapors are condensed. In nitrogen mode, cell exhaust and inlet ports valves are optimized to minimize nitrogen consumption while maximizing flux vapor extraction. This capability is only possible with the Centurion's unique cell structure. Each cell has the ability to intake and extract gas, which enables the Centurion to precisely move gas to and from any given area in the process tunnel. If you are making multiple recipe changes in a day, you will want the fast cool down option, especially when changing profiles from high to low temperature. The fast cool down system uses high volume blowers to push room air into the heating chamber, while hot air in the chamber is pulled out through the facility exhaust, which cuts changeover time by up to 50%. The patented Cathox catalytic thermal oxidizer dramatically reduces maintenance requirements while keeping a clean process environment. It is very effective in removing volatile compounds from the process tunnel during reflow. In thermal oxidation, organic vapors are converted to hydrocarbons, which are captured by a filter. Centurion's design also ensures that when maintenance is required, you have easy access and can do the maintenance job with few tools required. With an efficient heat transfer design, Centurion has a low energy consumption rate. Its reliable and robust design, backed by over 20 years of SMT experience and capability, ensures high uptime, even with the toughest reflow requirements. For more information, visit us at itweae.com.